Hi, my name is Hamson, co-founder and CEO of Deeli AI. So our mission is to help innovation-driven company to better identify, evaluate, and invest in next-generation technology. So that's what we do.
So you can find emerging high-impact technology. It's in a database, or how do you find it? How do you know where it is?
Yeah, good question. So basically, we integrate all the fragmented data sources from all the way from like paper, patents, academia, also like grants, business reports. So we integrate all these different kind of data, and also we use our agentic AI to integrate all the real-time data, and then we recommend the most relevant technology to our customer need and give them the most tailored technology investment decision so they can make the right bet on the next big things.
So the AI understands what is the solution that will work for them?
Yeah, so there are several things. One key thing is that we have our own proprietary algorithm that we can link upstream and downstream technology to a given technology. So when our customers start with a high-level technology exploring, the system will tell them what are the underneath and also important promising technology that their innovation team should focus more on. So basically we built our own knowledge graph, so it's way deeper than the generic LLMs, so that our customer can get benefit from these platforms and do the better decision making for the new technology.
What does it mean, high impact emerging technologies?
So now AI is booming, right? But so I'll give you an example. So now, but what are the most valuable company is the AI infrastructure company, like NVIDIA, also like some AI server, hyperscaler manufacturer, or like semiconductor foundry, right? And because they need to break through, they need to have a lot of breakthrough to innovate something that can help boost the next generation or next wave of technology. So all these hard tech are really crucial, right? And it's very hard to really understand what new technologies should be invested, right? So that's what we focus on.
Does it work?
What?
Is it the platform? It's online? People can try to use it?
Yeah, for sure. So basically, when our customer login, they can see the most relevant technology tailored to their strengths, their industry. So they know what they should keep an eye on, and also who are building the technology that they might be interested in. Yeah, and if they are more focused on a specific field, for example, like quantum computing, and they just click quantum computing, and then we will recommend the fastest growing quantum computing related trends. And also we have this technology insights that recommend all the relevant new technology. So for example, if they click photonic quantum computing, they will dive into what we call technology insights. So in here, we have a 360-degree insight into how mature is the technology, how important is the technology, and also all the adjacent technology that our customers should keep an eye on.
So Apple should be your customer, no?
Apple, Intel, NVIDIA, TSMC, every big corporation who spend a ton of money in R&D and looking at the future technology will be our customer.
And then they can partner with these researchers from all over the world. And the researchers sometimes do amazing work, but nobody find their work, right?
Yeah.
Because there's so much stuff out there.
Exactly, yeah. So that's one of the big problems we want to solve. So traditionally, this company, they have to go to all these offline events and to build a people connection with labs, with research institution. But there are a lot of them, right? And you don't actually know what they're secretly building. So that's why we also partner with this organization and ingest their technology. So we actually can help this organization to license out their new technology to this big industry player. So we actually boost and also increase the efficiency of matchmaking both sides. The big corporation who need the new technology and the organization who developing new technology also want to do business with big corporation. And that's how we increase the efficiency for both sides.
And how's the licensing happen? There's a system on your platform to make it possible, to make it more easy to, because sometimes, let's say I invent something and I say, you can have it, but you pay me 1 billion. That doesn't, sometimes people are like, right? How do you decide what is the licensing?
You mean who should we licensing, or what do you mean?
Yeah, for example, a researcher invent a new process, something that's amazing and that companies want to use. And sometimes they need to sit with lawyers and negotiate and blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Do you help with anything?
Yeah, so basically, our customer, they will constantly asking questions, doing prompt, for example, are there any breakthrough in, for example, silicon photonics? And our engine will kind of extract the intention of the customer, and then we use our internal agents to correlate what company, what organization, or what university have that technology and already ingest their technology into our product. And so our recommendation, mechanism, will service those entity up, so they will be pop up in front of our customers' results. So,
Do you find stuff that's not in patent yet?
Especially non-patent yet. Especially those technology or the things haven't go public, very early stage, nascent. These are actually those big companies are looking at.
And when I go in a search, you had these examples.
Yeah, nano photonics.
These are some of the high impact technologies, huh? These examples of them.
High impact.
But there's no limit. In theory, your platform can do all science, all physics, everything.
Okay, so you start with something that you're familiar with because you're a startup. You can do anything. So we start with the sector that I'm most familiar with, which is semiconductor. So I used to work at a company in Taiwan called MediaTek. They are a huge IC design company, but they have a hard time to identify which technology they should invest more for the future, right? So we initially, and even till now, we focus on semiconductor, hardware, advanced material, which making a wrong bet or being late can cost billions of dollars. So, but we're not tapping into biotech within 1 year because we just need to make sure that you service those customers pretty well, and then you scale to other industry. Because innovation is actually cross industry. The problem is universal. Every single industry, they have hard time to identify what are the next big things. So the problem is there, but we focus on the high impact industry and also the industry that we're familiar with. Yeah.
And the researcher, can they work with open, free journals, and you connect and they really want their research to be on your platform, or they cannot send it to you. You just choose what you put there.
Yeah. So basically, we have another independent website called innovators.deeli AI. So basically, the value proposition that we demonstrate on that website is that for the researcher for tech-focused early-stage startups, you can upload and submit the product or the core technology you're building, and then your data will be ingested into our database, right? So it's totally free. Just take you 5 minutes, right? And every time when our customer search and want to explore the area that happen to be your expertise and your company, the researchers, their research or the innovation of the startup, the detail will be pop up in front of this customer. So this company will reach out to them directly because we will disclose the information that they submitted themselves.
and you open for researchers all over the world and
All around
companies
globe.
all over the world.
Yeah, all around
And are you
globe.
famous? People know you, or you just brand new and it's a new thing? And what's the business model?
So the business model right now, we charge now only like paying customer, like big corporation. For the startup or the researcher who are developing new technology, they don't need to pay at all. It's free. They can just ingest, they submit what they're building, and we recommend their technology to our paying customer. And our paying customer are those large enterprises, right? Because being late can be a big issue. So that's the side we charge. That's the side we charge. Yeah.
I guess some of the big customers might be like, they want to be the first to contact the researcher. So they are going to be checking the updates, notifications as an app.
Yeah.
And okay, so it's available now. And here at the Web Summit, you have discussions with people about this?
Yeah, they like it. So one of a person who talked to me is a researcher. He's actually also a professor, and his expertise, his professional area is actually nanotechnology, right? So that's why this is actually the query that he put into, and he loved my idea. It's saying that it's very clever that we integrate all the data sources from early stage technology all the way to the mature technology. And he loved the idea because it gave him visibility into like how mature is a technology, and what technology they should keep an eye on or focus more. So yeah, he loved it.
I even think big companies should collaborate by trading patents and stuff, because maybe one needs this and the company already researched but they don't use it, and they want to maybe share it to other who want to maybe use it. Does it make sense? To put on your when they're your customer to find high impact emerging technologies, maybe they already researched a lot of things in the last few years that they want to add to your platform too, even though for now they keep it like, they just keep it unused. You know what I mean?
No, what do you mean?
No? For example, Apple, they have 10,000 patents that they never use.
Yeah.
Or something like that, right? So maybe all these things, HP or another company want to have insight into what could be useful for them.
Oh, okay.
And they make a deal. I don't know. It does make sense.
Interesting. I haven't seen of that aspect, but I think, that's also something that we can explore. Yeah, about how our customer can best use the patents or papers. Yeah.
And what's next for your company? What are you going to do next?
Yeah, so we already have several paid customers in Taiwan, in US. We're now exploring the possibility in European market. So definitely we are now looking for partner, strategic investor who can connect us with the big clients. Yeah.
Cool.
Nice.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
Long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.